Basically, alignment means that I told you how to arrange in a proper way. Arrangements, okay?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Acha, now just let me show you something how to set that alignment. Okay. That means left,
Ma'am,
right.
is my video off? Excuse me, ma'am, is my video off?
Trisha, but I cannot see you properly. Trisha?
Yes, her video is off.
Okay, now you are visible. Acha, okay. I am sharing the screen. Just look at this. All of you are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
basically,
Yes,
how to set that? Suppose the paragraph will be in the center, okay, in a justified mode, in left side or right alignment, how to set it? Huh? Look at this. There is one section paragraph. Yes, so look at this. All of you are able to see this. Look. This one.
The home tab, we can see.
All of you are able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in that section, suppose this paragraph, look. If we are aligning, align left side from left, look at this. Then here we are clicking. Now look, in the left side, there will be one margin. Look, you can see these are making one margin where all the sentences, all the lines is maintaining a given margin. Na? All of you are, yes, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
suppose I am taking this alignment right. Look, in the right side, it is maintaining the margin. Na? Yes or no? For this paragraph,
Yes, ma'am, right side.
in the
Yes,
right side,
ma'am.
but in the left side, look, it is not maintaining. Yes, Tom?
No, ma'am, not.
Acha, now, what does center means? Look, center means the distance of each line from the both side, left and right, look, is same. Suppose the first line you can consider, I am just selecting the part. All of you are able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Look
The
here.
first line.
Okay, just wait for a minute. Look at this, look at the first line. It is from the left side also and from the right side. In both the sides, it is from same distance, na? Yes or no? Ujan? Shaurjashi, is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
That means it is center. Okay, central alignment. Understood? Left means always it will maintain a margin in the left side. Right means always it will maintain a margin in the right side. Center means it will be equidistant from both the sides, left as well as right. Now, what is justified? Look at this. Justified. Basically, it will maintain the margin in both the sides, left as well as right, but each and every line will not be equidistant from both the sides. Have you understood the meaning? Again, I am telling, look. It will be maintain two margins to the right side, left side as well as right side. Got it? But look at this line. Which one I am selecting? This one. It is not equidistant from left or right side. Yes, na? Deboli? It is
yes, ma'am, the last line is different.
Exactly. So that is the basically difference between center and justified. In justified, usually it will be in the both the side there will be two margins, but not each and every line will be equidistant. Say Say,
Ma'am, what is the justified?
say I
Ma'am,
cannot
that's
hear you.
justified. What is that?
Ha, it is
Ma'am,
basically
what is
justified.
justified?
Justified means basically it will be in both the side, it will maintain the margin. Okay. It gives you the document clean. Okay. And in both the side, in the right side as well as left side, it will maintain two margin. Understood? But you can ask me, ma'am, then what is the difference between center? Look, center means basically, look, if I select here center, look, then all of you are able to see, look, this line is coming in the middle part. Now,
you do.
Ma'am,
you joined
like
late.
this.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
look at this here. Yes, computer I am doing. Now look, from profession, it is up to activity. Na? Just let me select only this portion. Just wait for a minute. Look, this line is equidistant from the left one and right one. Yes and no. Divyanka, Shuhana, this is
Yes, ma'am,
equidistant.
equidistant.
But
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
when we select justified, look, then it will maintain the margin in both the sides. But the distance, it will not be equidistant from both the sides. Now look, it is not equidistant now from left and right. I have selected justified. Now again I am selected center. Look, again it is coming in the middle. Now have you got the difference between center and justified? Junaid?
Ma'am, understood.
Okay. And left, right, so very much clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Left means only from left side it will start, and right means in the right side it will maintain margin. Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Now this one is clear.
Yes,
too?
ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Clear.
Now which portion you have to mark? Okay, just take a pencil and mark the portion which I am telling. Just wait for a minute. I'm sharing the book, huh? Look, there is one statement given. Vertical alignment, the third line. Vertical alignment refers to the position of text. Let me mark it, huh?
Ma'am, that
This line.
vertical alignment refers to the position of
Refers
text
to the position from top
margin.
to the top and bottom of the page. Okay. But horizontal alignment means it refers the position of the text in relation to left and right page margins. Okay. Now look at vertical alignments. I'll say. Have you marked up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now you can change the vertical alignment of the text. Okay. Now look. First, the steps I am telling you. On the page layout tab, click on page setup. Achha, this one I have not shown you. I have shown you this one. Page layout, then paragraph. In the paragraph box, in the paragraph portion, there is left, centered, and justified. This fourth thing I have completed. So at first click on this. Mark on this one. This one?
No,
Achha,
ma'am.
for this one.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Achha, okay. Achha, for vertical alignment, basically look at this. When we click on layout, then these options are, we are getting these options. Yesterday completed margins, size and column. Now here there is option, one more option, page setup. I'll show you, huh? Wait, page setup. If we click layout option, From that also we can change vertical alignment. Okay, I'll show you. Don't worry at first. Before that, just let me mark the book. Acha, up to this you have completed, so up to justify it.
Yes, ma'am.
Just go
Ma'am,
through
now
of it.
setting
Just make a
margin.
reading. Okay. Before setting margins and using rulers. Yes. Yes, Tom. Junaid, done. Just answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, I cannot get it. Acha, okay.
Ma'am, please
Acha, now let me
ma'am,
show you
where
that.
are you?
This one.
But ma'am, vertical
This
alignment.
only. I'll show you. Just wait. Before that, mark up to this.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Acha, now let me show you. Now I think it is okay.
Yes,
Start recording.
Okay. Now look at this. Here is layout option. Look,
Yes,
page
ma'am.
setup option you are able to see. If I select this one.
Yes, ma'am, at the corner.
Okay, now here look, the layout option is there now. Papered, margins, and layout. Okay, so in this layout option, look, vertical alignment is given over there. Show you. Suppose this one is the paragraph I have written. Look, in the layout option, go to page setup. Okay, here also you are getting three options: margin, papered, and layout. In that layout option, look, page, then vertical alignment. Here we are getting four options: top, center, justified, bottom. Acha, horizontal and vertical, what is the difference? Just I told now, left and right. That means center and justified is common for both of them. But in case of horizontal, it is left and right included. In case of vertical, top and bottom included. Understood, Ipshita, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Isha?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now look. The same thing if we choose top. After choosing, we have to click on OK. Look, it will be from the top. Suppose we are choosing bottom, then what will be the difference?
To understand the top and the bottom difference.
Now let me show you. Look, this is coming at bottom now of this page. Now have you understood? Look at this.
Yes, ma'am.
It looks like from the bottom it is starting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now center and justified. Let me just show you this one. Top and bottom is clear though?
Ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Center
Clear.
means it will be exactly in the distance from the upper and lower. Look, yes though?
Yes,
From
ma'am.
top and bottom it will be equidistance. Yes though? Look at this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am. Ma'am, top and bottom equator means?
equidistance means the same distance will be there. Suppose from the top it is 5 centimeter far, then from bottom also it will be 5 centimeter above. Understood too?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am. Like
distance. You know maths very well. I can understand, Ipshita. Now I'll check the result. Na? Don't worry. Happily exam is there. Achha. Anushka, have you understood? Now justified.
Yes,
Justified means look. It will maintain a proper margin in each paragraph. Look. But it may not be equidistant from top and bottom. Understood too?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Let me check. Riazuddin, Soham.
Ma'am, I can't understand the justified.
Yes, say beta.
Ma'am, I can't understand the justified.
Soham, it is you.
No, ma'am, I am Trisha.
Acha, justified means just like exactly horizontal case. I told you na, it will maintain two margin in the left as well as right. Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
And side in the both the side, there this will be lined up. The same thing for justified as it is vertical. So in relation of top and bottom, it is going on. So yes. So it will be it will maintain a margin on the top as well as in the bottom. Understood? Just
Okay,
it will
ma'am.
maintain the margin. But in case of center, it will be equidistant from top and bottom. Now it is clear?
Okay,
Pooja,
ma'am.
Divyanka, Soumojit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Clear. Ma'am, fully clear.
So now mark that 3 points in that
Yeah.
vertical alignment 1, 2, and 3.
हाँ, ma'am. Done, ma'am.